everyone, this is Tamara Linkowski from HealthyTreatsMarket.com, and we are going to make a protein style carrot cake, okay? What I got is my carrot cake mix. I am going to open it up, dump it in a cereal bowl. This is so easy, guys. If you ever order the meal kits or the bundles or whatever you want to do, this is how simple it is. I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of egg whites to it and 2 tablespoons of plain non-fat Greek yogurt, okay? We're just gonna mix this and microwave it for 90 seconds. And then I got my cream cheese frosting that I'll put on top. If you wanna make the cream cheese frosting, you can, and you can leave it in the fridge. If you're lazy and you don't wanna make it, you can always buy Ready Whip and just top the cake with Ready Whip. But carrot cake is not carrot cake without cream cheese frosting. So that's why I'm gonna put it on there. We're gonna microwave it 90 seconds and be right back. All right, guys, look at this. This is what the carrot cake looks like, okay? I'm gonna take it out, put it on the bowl here. Ooh, sorry. It comes out nice and clean. Now, like I said, carrot cake is not, you can even just put a shaving of this on. You don't even need a lot of cream cheese frosting. My recipe's online for this. You can make this ahead of time and just leave it in your refrigerator. I just don't like to waste. I want my customers to try it. And then what I'd like to do is put a little bit of walnuts, okay? And there's my carrot cake, guys. And again, instead of eating high fat and high carbs, you're eating low fat. The only fat you're getting is the topping, so you can control that. But the entire cake is all protein, okay? So that's what makes the difference. That's why my heart reversed eating these products. I don't know if you know, I've had heart failure 5 times and my heart has reversed 5 times. My heart has enlarged 5 times and then it's gone back to normal 5 times using these mixes. So that's why I'm so passionate about this, okay guys? We love you. Come see us. We're in the Davison Farmers Market every Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, 9 to 5. And if you don't live nearby, visit HealthyTreatsMarket.com. You click on the 3 bars and you can see the recipe book, the cafe menu. You can shop online. You can scroll down on that 3 bars and look at the video classes. There's so many things you can do. There's testimonies there, everything. So thank you for watching. God bless you.